Unpack and install MagniLink Pro. Start by opening the bag with the two orange zippers. In the pocket, you'll find the user's manuals. Remove the packaging material. You can now lift the unit out by grabbing the unit's arm and base plate. Place the unit on a flat surface like a desk. Remove the last piece of packaging material. Take out the cardboard box and open it. Inside the box you will find the external control panel. There is also a power adapter. You will also find an HDMI and a USB cable. A USB stick with software and license. And finally a cleaning cloth. Now remove the cardboard box. To lift up the MagniLink Pro, place one hand on the base plate. Use your other hand to raise up the unit's arm. Raise up the camera. The camera can be used for document reading, with the camera facing down towards the desk. It can also be used as a distance camera, by turning the camera up. Connect the power adapter to a wall outlet and the other end to the back of the MagniLink Pro. Now connect the external control panel to the unit. If the unit is to be connected directly to a monitor, the external control panel is needed. You can also connect the MagniLink Pro to a computer. Then you can control the unit either by software, or by the external control panel. If you are going to use your device with a computer, connect the USB cable to the lower USB-C port on your device. Connect the other end of the USB cable to your computer. If you're using your MagniLink Pro with a monitor, connect the HDMI cable to the HDMI port on your device. Connect the other end to your monitor. Now you're all set. Enjoy your new device. Thank you for watching. You can learn more at lviglobal.se.